Hello friends, come and join me. Let's draw and color today Mummy Pony, mother of Pedro Pony. First, let's draw the shape of Mummy Pony's face. Then, her cute ears. Her nose. Let's draw her eyes with lashes. Next, her mouth. Her spots on her face. Let's draw the shape of Mummy Pony's body. Look, she opened her eyes for you. I'm drawing her arms and hands. Are you enjoying yourself? That is excellent. Next, her tail. Mummy Pony is happy to see you today and wants to give you a hug. Lastly, her legs and shoes. Join me as we add color to Mummy Pony together. She has a pink nose, a dark red to her mouth. She has a lighter cream-colored spots, a light shade of brown to her face and ears. Mummy Pony, the caring mother of Pedro Pony. With her flowing mane, gentle eyes, and a heart full of warmth, Mummy Pony is the sweetheart of the pony family, turning every day into a hooftastic adventure of love and laughter. She wears a goldish dress. Mummy Pony works as an eye doctor. Would you like to be a doctor someday? That is great! Do you like her goldish dress? Me too! A light shade of brown to her arms, hands, tail, and legs. And she wears a black shoes. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.